Hello, today we are going to be learning how to use Adobe Spark. So first things first, you're going to go to this website, spark.adobe.com, and then you're going to click this Start Now for free and create an account and use your school email, create a password, and enter all of the usual information. So once you are all logged in and ready to go, your page should look something like this. Mine looks a little different because I already have some Adobe Spark works already completed. And so to create a new one, you are going to go up to this little blue plus sign. You're going to click it, and you're going to click Page. And then this is kind of your outline. And the nice thing about Spark is that it will save your work as you go. So you don't have to worry about clicking a save button or anything. So first things first, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Glide Show. And so then the nice thing about Adobe Spark also is that it has a bunch of free pictures at your disposal. So just click Find Free Photos. And let's say I'm doing something over Rome. So I can click some photos, and however long you need your glide show to be, you just click the right amount of photos. So I have 4 photos. So for the sake of this is what we'll use. Then you'll click up here, you'll click Save once you have all the photos. And then if you scroll through, it'll look something like this. It'll glide nice and smoothly. And so at your title, you'll click the title of your piece. For this purpose, I'll just make it about Rome. And the subtitle, you'll just put your name. And so to edit the title, just click on the icons that say title and subtitle. So then as you scroll through your glide show, you'll notice that these have nice little boxes right here with little plus signs. So if you click the plus sign, you'll have options. You can click photo, text, you can create a hyperlink, or you can insert a video. So in this one, I'll teach you how to insert a text box. So just click this thing called text, and then you'll type your information. So Rome is a city in Italy. And so then from there, if you highlight this information, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can put quotations around it or italicize it, you can create bullet points. The only thing about this is if you want to click enter, you have to hit the bullet point option, or else it will go straight to another post. So if I did not have bullet points and I just clicked enter, it will just go straight to the next post. So that's also important however you want to space out your information. So for scrolling, and let's say on this one, I want to insert a photo. So if you just click photo, you can again access these free photos. So let's say I want to insert this photo right here. So I just click it and it would insert it right there. And then there's also at the bottom of the photo, it'll give you an option to create a caption. So we'll just put Rome for this one. And so as you're scrolling through, you can always click on your already inserted icons and edit it as needed, which is always very nice. And Adobe Spark will cite all of your sources at the very bottom, which is super nice. You don't have to worry about that. So then if you scroll up to the top, let's say I'm done with this. And you want to preview, you can click preview and it will show you what your glide show will look like when you make it accessible to other people. And you can glide through, see all the transitions, and then click this little X if there's something you still would like to edit. But if your glide show is to the point of where you would like it to be, you've just clicked this little share button. And you can pick a category. I would suggest just using other. Make sure your name is correct. And then, as I mentioned before, Adobe Spark will credit all of the images that you use. So it'll insert them right here, which is very nice. And then you'll just click Create Link. And then once it creates your link, you can copy it and then paste it and share it with other people. You can email it, share it on social media. So, and that is Adobe Spark.